It's my birthday! Good morning, guys. I hope you're all having a great day. Today is a very special day. It's my 30th birthday and I'm so excited. I'm here in Florianopolis, Brazil, and today to celebrate my birthday we're gonna do a really beautiful hike to a secret beach. We're gonna hike, we're gonna swim, we're gonna enjoy the sun. It's gonna be an awesome day and I wanted to share it with you guys. So here's the trailhead, if this is any indicator of how gorgeous this hike is gonna be. We're going to Lagoinha Do Leste. I start by going up through the jungle. Oh my God, it's gonna be so sick. I am already so excited. This is so pretty. Last year I was in Ireland on my birthday. This year I'm in Brazil. But I mean, it's a special birthday because this is my 30th birthday and Brazil is the 30th country I've ever visited. So to me it's like a golden birthday, but the travel version. So I'm pretty excited about it. And what better way to celebrate than hiking through the jungle to a secret beach. These massive, massive, beautiful blue butterflies. So it's slippery. It's definitely the rainforest and I just slipped and I think you guys heard that. My foot just went into a big mud puddle. It's okay. So we're at the halfway point. Pretty winded. It's basically been straight uphill this entire time. It's nice because this trail is pretty well maintained. There's either wood planks or stones that you can step on rather than just going up a steep slope because this is like a riverbed of some kind, so there's a lot of water and mud. But yeah, we're halfway there. Cannot wait to get to the top and see the views, fly the drone, and I'll show you guys that when we get up there. So pretty. So we're out of the trees now into the sun. No views yet. You can almost see a peak of the ocean, but it's like right over there. You can't see it yet, but we're getting there. You guys can't see this spider. He is so big. Ugh. Wow. And there's our first view of the beach. So gorgeous. So we just came around the corner and we're basically at the beach. We're still just going down a little bit, but this view is amazing. The water is so turquoise. Someone's screaming. Look at this. Oh, I cannot wait to jump in that. We just got to this gorgeous beach, which is a white sand beach. It's completely enclosed. You can only access it from the hike. There's not a lot of people here. Part 2 is climbing up there. So that is the lookout point that everybody gets their pictures at. There's the rocks at the top that overlook all of Floripa, and that's the shot. So we're gonna hang out here and relax in the sun for a little bit, soak up some rays, maybe swim a little, and then tackle that monster. Coming for ya. Go right up there. Alright, heading up this thing. It looks super steep. We got this gorgeous view behind us, so we can't complain. Let's make it to the top. 30 minutes. We'll see if we can do it. Oh my God, I'm gonna get sliced up. So already this hike is super narrow. like really narrow, and there's like looks like aloe plants, but they have little spikies on them, so I'm kind of trying to avoid those. Got flowers, and yeah, you can see how narrow this is. It's a little steep. I don't know if you guys can tell how steep this is, but that's our way down. Okay, halfway mark. We're taking a quick break, enjoying this beautiful view, and then we'll get to the top. But it's cool. This little tiny island off the coast of Brazil reminds me of Encinitas, where I'm from in San Diego County. And it's nice. Feels like home. And it's so nice to be in a place so similar to my home when I'm actually so far away on my birthday. I guess I should show you guys the view since I'm sitting here looking at it. So I don't really know what that line of foam is going on, but it's pretty beautiful. So a local told me that this is by far the most beautiful beach on the island and that I absolutely had to see it. Now coming here, I get why she said that. This place definitely does not disappoint. If you can ever make it to Florianopolis, Brazil, you have to do this hike. Can't even see the starting point anymore. And I think we're almost there. Oh, I'm so out of breath. All right, new goal for turning 30. Get into shape so I'm not so exhausted going up these big hills. We made it to the crown. There's all these crazy rocks stick out of the top of this mountain. So we made it to the top. We are at the crown, which I think it's called that because there's all these spiky rocks sticking out of the top. You can see the beach down below me. We are crazy high up. That hike was no joke, super steep, but we made it. We're here, and there's this really cool rock you can look out at. You can see it kind of right here behind me. All right, gonna put the drone up and try to get some cool pictures and videos for you guys. I'll show you those right now.